Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the correct Microsoft 365 or Exchange account. This ensures directory visibility and permission checks work. Once signed in, open Outlook and go straight to Calendar View or press Ctrl+2 to save time. Make sure your account is connected to the organization directory and that offline mode is off. This prevents missing people in search. If you manage multiple profiles, switch to the profile that contains your company address book so you can locate colleagues efficiently. You type the person's name or email into the calendar search field or use the people search. Outlook queries the global address list when permissions exist. Once you find them, right-click and choose Open Calendar or Add Calendar to view availability. Adding preserves it for later. Then pick how to display it. Overlay merges schedules, side-by-side keeps columns, schedule view stacks across days. This helps you compare free/busy quickly. If availability doesn't appear, check that you're searching the right address book. You finish by requesting calendar access when you only see free/busy. Click Request Permission or send a sharing invite explaining why you need more detail. Once done, make sure the person grants delegate or reviewer permissions in their calendar settings or an admin configures sharing via Exchange. If you still can't see events, restart Outlook, clear its cache, or use Outlook web app to isolate client issues. And if nothing works, ask IT to verify directory replication and mailbox permissions. That usually fixes hidden calendars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.